Good day, everybody. I hope that you are well, and I also hope that you are having a good day so far. Today, we'll be doing our grade kindergarten to two English lesson, and we're doing it on abbreviations. And before we start, we're going to log on to aplusstudents.ca. Once we've logged on to aplusstudents.ca with our username as well as our password, and then we're going to select the subject of English language arts. We're doing grade kindergarten to two, and then we're going to scroll down up until we get to our chapter of abbreviations. All right. Yes, this is grade two. It says kindergarten to two, but I think the focus is mainly just on grade two, especially since we are on A plus students under grade two abbreviations. All right. So we're doing abbreviations, right? So we said our chapter is abbreviations. Our subject is English language arts. We're doing grade kindergarten to two, but like we said, the focus is mainly on grade two. And in the lessons that we are going to be focusing on under the chapter of abbreviations, it is to abbreviate days of the week, and we're going to abbreviate months of the year. So we're going to abbreviate days of the week, and we're going to abbreviate months of the year. All right. So when it comes to abbreviations, right? Abbreviations is basically like short versions of a word. So abbreviations are short versions of a word. Yes, this is grade two. Remember, I said that it is kindergarten to grade two, but the focus is basically on grade two, especially if we are under A plus students. We're doing grade two, right? So it is grade two basically. So yes, it is grade two. All right. So now we said abbreviations. It is a short version of a word, right? And we are going to abbreviate days of the week and we're going to abbreviate months of the year, which means that we are going to get shortened versions of days of the week and shortened versions of months of the year. All right. So now, like we said, we have to, it is a shortened version. So we're now going to look at how we can shorten, let's say, basically the version of the 7 days of the week and the 12 months in the year, right? Because we see that an abbreviation is a shortened version of a word, and we specifically focusing on days of the week and we're focusing on months of the year. So when it comes to days of the week, days of the week are often abbreviated, right? So days of the week, it is often abbreviated. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Or I don't know. Can you hear me? All right. So days of the week, it is often abbreviated. And when it comes to the abbreviated words of the days of the week, right? The abbreviation of the days of the week, it usually consists of the first three letters of the abbreviated word or of the word, which is the day of the week. Or it can be four letters of the of the word depending, and then it is followed by a period. All right. Okay, so you can hear me. I say that we are doing grade two. We're doing kindergarten to grade two, but our focus is on grade two. All right. And remember, when we shorten our word, we need to end with a period. So we need to end with a period. All right. So now we're going to abbreviate or shorten the specific words, right? So that we can at least get an idea of how we abbreviate the days of the week and how we abbreviate the months of the year. All right. So we said that when it comes to abbreviations, we need to abbreviate the days of the week. And remember, we have 7 days of the week. Firstly, even the days of the week is not even long. Like the writing of each of the words, if we were to look at the letters, it's not long. So we need to abbreviate the days of the week. And whenever we abbreviate the days of the week, we need to always capitalize the days of the week. All right. So we need to capitalize the days of the week. And if we look at an example, and remember, if we capitalize the days of the week, then also if we look at the days of the week, we see that it consists of like the abbreviated word, right? It either consists of the first three letters or the first four letters of the word. Once we now shorten that word, right? Because it is a shortened version of a word that is a abbreviation. For example, Monday. Monday. The shortened version of Monday is Mon. It's like Mon. So Monday, and if we shortened Monday, then it is the first three letters. Yes, well done. Tuesday, yes, it is Tues. But don't forget to put the period after all of those words. So which means that it is, for example, we say Monday, which is Mon, but period. We have Tuesday, and we have period. So don't forget to put the period after each word. So we have Wednesday and we have period, which is with. Thursday, which is Thurs, and there's a period. All right. So remember, you need to keep in mind that when we shorten those versions, right? And remember, we say shorten. I'm talking about when we abbreviate Monday to Sunday, and then it needs to be followed by a period. So mon period, Tues period, Wednes period, Thurs period, Fry period, and Sat period. Right? And this is very easy. And then we go to the next one, which is going to abbreviating months of the year. So we're going to identify the months of the year. All right. So even months of the year, it is easy peasy, especially if you know one or two of the concepts, then it will be easy, it will flow, right? So months of the year we said with longer names needs to be abbreviated. So months of the year with longer nails needs to be abbreviated. And the abbreviation, right, it consists of the first three or four letters of that specific word, and it is followed by a period. All right. So just the same like days of the week, months of the year, same, right? The only difference is that months of the year are a bit longer than the days of the week, but still we choose the first three or four letters of the word. All right, so now we're going to say the months of the year. We said it is a bit longer, the names, the invitation. So now we're going to abbreviate, and once we abbreviate the months of the year, it consists of three or four letters of the word. So basically, the first three or four letters of the word. All right. And we see that we use the first three letters or the first four letters in order to abbreviate or shorten that word. That is correct, right? Where we are choosing the first three or four letters of the word. But remember, we need to add the period after each one of those words. So we said when we abbreviate Monday, right? Monday is a fairly long one. Not sorry, not Monday. January, because remember we are now doing months of the year. So January. So if we first abbreviate January, then we are only going to use the first three letters for Jan, and don't forget the period because it follows with a period. The same with Feb for February, and it follows with a period. March, we're gonna get to March. All right. And once again, like we said, the same like we did with the days of the week, we are going to shorten the months of the year. First three or four letters of the word, and then followed by a period. All right. Yes. Let us go to the test. All right, so we're going to our test. Yes, we may. We're going to abbreviate the days of the week. All right, so now we're going to our test where we are going to fill the missing days abbreviation. We're going to fill in the missing days abbreviation in the space provided. We have Thursday. All right. So now we need to abbreviate the days of the week. We need to fill out the missing days. We have Thurs, and Set. Thurs, and Set. And if we look at the correct option, right, which one is our correct one? Is it option one, which is Friday, or option two, which is Wednesday? Which one is correct? Option one, which is Friday, or option two, which is Wednesday? All right. And if we were to fill in the missing abbreviation, we will go with option one, which is Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All right. The next one says we need to fill in the missing abbreviation. It is either option one, Tuesday, actually, it is Tuesday, and Thursday. We need to choose either. So we have Tuesday. What is our missing word over here? Is it Wednesday or is it Monday and then Thursday? So Tuesday, what is the missing one? And then Thursday. Which one is correct? Yes, please write sentences. All right. And then also we need to fill in the missing abbreviation. We have Tuesday, Thursdays. Tuesdays, Thursdays. Yes. And if we were to choose the correct one, then Wednesday is the one that is missing over there. So Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. So well done. The next one says we need to fill in the missing days abbreviation. Do we say it is Monday, Tuesday? Do we say it's Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, or Sunday, Monday, Tuesday? Which one is correct? All right. So, like we said, the this is the same as abbreviating the days of the week. Yes, today is Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Yes, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. All right, here we have another one. We need to fill in the missing days of the week. It is, do we say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or do we say Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday? Which one is correct? So do we say it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or do we say it is Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday? Which one is correct? And if we were to choose the correct option, we will say it is Monday, then we have Tuesday, and it is Wednesday. So well done. Here we have Thursday, Friday. Do we say Saturday option one, or do we say Wednesday option two? So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Thursday, Friday, Wednesday. So today it is Sunday, and Saturday is my bingo favorite thing to do. The formatting of the sentence needs to be changed. Yes, so tomorrow is Saturday. All right, and if we were to choose the correct option, we would say Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right. So we said that we need to abbreviate the days of the week. We abbreviated the months of the year. And yet, when it comes to both abbreviating the days of the week and abbreviating the months of the year, we say that abbreviation is a shortened form of a specific word, right? So it's a shorter form of a specific word. It shortens that word, and with most abbreviations, we add a period to our word. So let's say, for example, we abbreviate Monday, then we're going to say Monday, which is MON, period. If we abbreviate the months of the year and we abbreviate January, we're going to say that answer is going to be January, Jan, which is period, right? So with abbreviations being shortened forms of a specific word, it needs to also follow with a period. All right. So, like I said, both days of the week and months of the year are shortened forms, which we call abbreviations. of these words: days of the week, months of the year. So, as much as we only focus on the days of the week, we only focus on the months of the year, right? We also do have other abbreviations. We even abbreviate titles: Mr., Miss, Mrs. Those are things that we abbreviate instead of writing the full word down. All right. So, this is not the end of our lesson on abbreviations. Once again, we said abbreviations is a shortened form of a specific word, and when we abbreviate the word, it is like we are just writing a few of those letters of that specific word, right? All right, so this is the end of the lesson. Thank you very much, grade twos, for joining our class. I really hope that you're going to have a good weekend further. So, until next time, goodbye. All right. So thank you very much, everybody. Goodbye. Oh, you have a question? Yes, you may. Okay. You can answer the. You can ask me a question. How do you mean can't be anything? What does it mean when you say, can it be anything? I don't know. I don't know how to answer your question. Can it be anything? All right. You must have a good evening, everybody. Have a good weekend. Goodbye.